So what is email marketing? Email marketing at its core is pretty straightforward. It's the use of email messages sent to a list of subscribers to advertise or promote brands, products, offers, events, or pretty much anything you want. Now that core definition of email marketing may be simple, but email marketing has come a long way in recent years, and there's actually quite a bit more to it today. We'll be discussing those advances later in this guide, but first, let's go over why you need email marketing in your business. The need for email marketing is one of those things you just can't argue with because the numbers are just too clear and astounding to ignore. According to a report by DMA, the average return on investment for email marketing these days is $38 for every $1 spent. And 80% of business professionals report growth in customer acquisition and retention resulting from email marketing. There's nothing else like it. Not even social media comes close. Leads are twice as likely to opt into your email list than they are to engage with your business on Facebook. And if you thought social media and search engines were the key to growing your business, think again. Email conversion rates are higher than both search and social combined. This should come as no surprise, really. Consumers have repeatedly insisted that they like getting promotional messages via email. Over 70% of consumers say email is their preferred channel for business communication, and 60% even say they want to receive your marketing emails weekly or more often. So in light of all the recent trends and data, there's really no questioning the critical importance of email marketing in your business. If you're not using email marketing in your business, it's time to start right now. The only question is, where do you get started? So as you've probably guessed, robust email marketing operations can't exactly be run from your personal email account. You need an actual email marketing platform, commonly called an autoresponder service. These platforms handle a wide range of email marketing processes, from basic things like initial autoresponder sequences and weekly newsletter scheduling, to more advanced stuff like automation workflows, which we'll discuss later. Popular platforms that can handle most of these functions include GetResponse, Aweber, ActiveCampaign, Constant Contact, iContact, Campaign Monitor, MailChimp, SendReach, SendLane, ConvertKit, SendGrid, Vertical Response, Market Hero, Infusionsoft, and Ontraport. And that's just most of the more popular ones. As you can see, there are a ton of email marketing platforms out there for you to choose from. You should dedicate a day or two to researching each one, comparing features and pricing, and determining which one is best for your business. Once you've chosen an autoresponder service, it's time to start thinking about email marketing strategies.